In this video, I'm talking about a really cool software which I'll be reviewing in front of you right now, and it's called Copy.ai, and it's another artificial intelligence AI writing tool. So if you are interested in picking this up at any given time, just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to their website. So let me jump into the homepage of Copy.ai and show you what they have to offer. So as you can see, this is the home screen of Copy.ai, and here is the multiple options. As you can see, favorite tools, then we have product description, digital ad copy, then we have Facebook headlines, call to action, blog tools. There are multiple options here: blog intros, blog outlines. Then in the writing tools, here as you can see, there are multiple options you can select from. Then we have the birthday card, cover letter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this blog post wizard here, by using which you can create awesome blog article from here. So let's enter blog title like how to lose weight fast, and you have to just mention the keywords like weight loss. Then we have diet, then we have workout. Also you can adjust the tone, whether you want friendly, serious tone, you can select that. And this one, so that's coming goal. So let's generate it. Okay, so as you can see, the outlines has been created. So blog intro will be added at the top, then we have the outlines, and then we have the conclusion. So if you want to add a few sections, you can manually add sections also. If you want to delete any section, you can also delete that. Let's click on next. So as you can see, you can also delete few sections here. Also you can regenerate also if you don't like anything. So now click on next. So as you can see, these are all the talking points on which the content will be written. So these are like bullet points. Let's click on generate content. Okay, so once that is done, so as you can see, introduction, then we have the sections, outlines, and then we have the conclusion there. Also if you want to regenerate any content, you just have to click on regenerate and it will be rewritten. So once you click on create blog post, so as you can see, this is the final format here, which you can also edit here. So if you want to change the H1, H2 heading type, you can do that. If you want to make it bold, you can do that. If you want to underline it, you can do that in this editor only. So if you want to make any changes, you can definitely do that here itself. And once everything is fine, you can just copy this article and paste it in your WordPress blog. You can also export it in the doc format. As you can see, I have exported in the doc format. So there you go guys, Copy.ai is a really awesome AI writing tool with unlimited content, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, emails and much more in just few seconds. So if you are interested in Copy.ai, check the link in the description below, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.